chefs! It's time to sing with Little Animal Melodies! Let's explore the ABCs using things you can find in the kitchen, from apples to zippers on lunch bags. Ready to cook up some fun? Whoa! A is for apple, crunchy and red. Slice it up and spread on bread. B is for bowl, big and round. Mixing up dough with a swirling sound. C is for cup, small and wide. Perfect for milk you drink with pride. D is for dish, shiny and clean. Stacked in the rack with a gleaming sheen.
E is for egg, crack it slow. Watch the yolk begin to flow. F is for fork, silver and neat. Ready to help you eat your treat. G is for grater, sharp and fine. Shredding cheese into a line.
H is for hot dog, grilled with care. Served with mustard, a summer flair. I is for ice, cold and clear. Clinking in cups with a little cheer.
J is for jar, filled with jam. Scoop it on toast.
Yes, ma'am.
K is for kettle, whistle it loud. Time for tea, you'll feel proud.
L is for lid, closing a pot. Keeps the soup all nice and hot. M is for microwave, beep and spin. Heating leftovers tucked within.
N is for napkin, folded right. Wipe your face and keep it light.
O is for oven, hot inside. Baking bread with rising pride.
P is for pan, sizzling fast.
Cooking eggs that sure won't last. Q is for quiche, soft and warm. Served in slices, a savory charm.
R is for rolling pin, rolling dough. Flattening cookies in a row.
S is for spoon, stir and scoop. Swirling soup in a steamy loop. T is for toaster, pop goes the bread. Golden and crunchy, ready to spread. U is for utensils, all in a drawer. Forks, knives, spoons, and even more.
V is for vinegar, tangy and bold. Splash it on salad, fresh and cold.
W is for waffle, square and sweet.
With syrup and butter, what a treat!
X is for X marked bag lunch to go. Tucked in tight, now off you go.
Y is for yogurt, creamy and fun. Great with berries or on its own.
Z is for zipper, on a snack pouch.
Zip it up and head to the couch.
Way to go, chef! You just cooked through the alphabet from A to Z. Like, subscribe, and share for more